What's up, y'all? There's the South Carolina Central Hirail truck.
Frequency mode.
So is the train running by today? Yep. I'm guessing the train is running by today. I don't know. Yep, he's all the way down there. Okay, y'all. Whew, that was a good one, son. South Carolina Central's Hirail truck. Which means the train is coming through sometime today. I'ma have my radio set on, and and on the South Carolina Central frequency. Let me get in there. Which is 161.175. So if you like the video, hit that like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, because you never know when I'm post another video on my channel. And yeah, son, Leesburg Railroad Crossing. And when the train do come, I'ma film it. So peace out, y'all.